Another beautiful day, another ZL1 video. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. And today is super exciting because we're gonna go get this car appraised by both CarMax and a GMC dealership. So stick around and enjoy the video. That is loud. Going on, guys? Beautiful day, a little warm, but we've got the ZL1 looking beautiful, still pretty clean. We haven't really driven it much. We just had the inspection done, registration is renewed, but today we're going to be taking this car to CarMax to get an appraisal, see how much CarMax is willing to give me for this thing. And we're also going to go to Beck and Maston dealership, GMC dealership. They've got a ton of C8s, a lot of sports cars, a lot of high-end cars there on the used car lot, and see what they will appraise the ZL1 for, and try to see what the differences are and talk about it. So let's go ahead and get you guys a cold startup of this thing. Man, that thing sounds so good. Now, before we get to the video, guys, comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think they're going to tell me at the dealerships? Do you think they'll have some issues with the modifications? Of course, for those of you guys that do not know, this is an intake, eggs, headers, and E85 car only. So not that many modifications, but do you think they'll have any issues with the modifications? Comment down below. Let me know, what are your thoughts? What do you think they're going to appraise this car at? And stick around to see if you guys were right. But anyways, let's get on and I'll catch you guys at CarMax. Well, guys, just got our offer from CarMax. And first of all, before I show you the offer, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think that offer was for. All right, without further ado, here you go. Here is the offer. As you guys can see, 2019 ZL1, 8,300 miles. Got all the features. You guys can see it says good condition for everything except for exhaust. It shows missing parts, and obviously we've got modified exhaust, so really anytime you even put an aftermarket exhaust, it's gonna show up as missing parts because it's not OEM. So that of course shows up like that. But there you have it. CarMax will give me $60,000 for this car, and of course if I was to trade it in, I would save another $3,750 on taxes. So really, if I trade this car in for another car, you're looking at about $63,000, almost $64,000. Not too bad, not too bad. Like always, CarMax is in to make some money, so they're not gonna give you the full price, but still pretty good to see. Good way to know what this car is valued at on, I guess, like the dealer market, because we all know they're gonna get this car for 60 if I was to sell it to them and post it for 65, 67, maybe even up to $70,000. So that is how they've got to make their money, which is why I've decided to post it privately for sale, so that I don't have to give them their cut. So still, car is posted for $70,000 if someone's interested as it sits, but at CarMax they're only willing to give me $60,000 for it. All right, so what do you guys think of that number? $60,000. Honestly, I think that's pretty fair. Like I mentioned, they got to make money on top of it, so they are not going to be able to offer you the full price what you're expecting to get. So let's go now to a local dealership here, Beck and Maston South, and they actually had messaged me on my Auto Trader post, for sale post, saying that they could offer me between $64,000 to $66,000 for the car, with a quick inspection. So let's head on over there and see what they can tell us. Hopefully it can be a quick inspection and they can give us an offer pretty quickly, and then show you guys the comparison comparisons between CarMax and a dealership in terms of trading or selling in your car. We're back in Maston. They already are looking at the appraisal for the ZL1, but check this out. They've got a rapid blue ZL1 here, certified. They got the wild cherry tint coats, pretty wild colors. Got the 10-speed, and this one's a manual. These are nice. Got the carbon fiber insert, got the gloss black insert. Honestly, in person, this rapid blue looks pretty nice. Wild cherry, love that. Of course, GT500s. We got a red and a blue one with the stripes. And check out the collection of Corvette Stingrays. Got a red one here, looking beautiful. Amplify orange, honestly, not doing it for me in person. White, I think, is going to be too plain for a Z06. Yellow looks nice. Maybe in a Z06 it looks even better, but it's all about this one, I think, guys. Red with black accents. This one's got the clear glass roof, looking really nice. Z06 package. We got the wild cherry one, high wing, gloss black. Really, really nice. And then we've got a convertible yellow. Honestly, I think this is the way you do it. If it's a convertible, you do go with the carbon flash, everything on the top, guys. Convertibles are the only ones that let you do that. So definitely that's what I would go with. That look looks super nice. Convertible's looking really good. See the difference between the coupe, glass, convertible. Looks like both of the yellow ones and the white one are convertibles. See, this one only has the convertible little pillars in the back, but is color matching the top. That to me does not look good. I think you want to have that whole greenhouse, the top end, be all black, just like this white one here. It makes a huge difference when you see that versus that. This is where it's at. This is the way to go. Very, very nice. Anyways, what do you think of those C8s? Personally, again, torch red's gonna be my color. Anyways, come check out Beck & Maston and let's go see what the Appraised the ZL1 for. Just leaving Beck & Maston right there. And before I show you guys what the offer was, I want to get your guys' thoughts. Comment down below what you think the dealership offered me for the ZL1. I'll give you guys a little minute for that. And you guys good to go? Well, there you have it, guys. $55,000. That is what they offered me here at Beck & Maston. $55,000. Yeah. Well, the reasoning for that, the reason they said $55,000 was because of the mods. According to them, they're not going to sell the car. They're going to put it to send it to auction, and because of that, they would just go ahead and end up selling this car in auction, and hence why they gave me a lower offer than CarMax. So CarMax actually, I guess, would intend to sell this car on their lot, and their offer is not bad if you look at what the dealerships are going to give you. So pretty interesting to see that. I was not expecting that. I was expecting maybe a higher offer from the dealerships, but in any case, let's get back home. We'll kind of talk a little bit about the different offers and what you can or cannot do if you are looking at potentially trading in or selling in your car. So let's head back home. Well, there you have it, guys. We just got this car appraised, and you can see two very distinct prices. Now, CarMax obviously offered us $60,000, which is actually not bad for a dealership. And I was expecting a dealership to actual like car dealership like a Chevrolet, GMC, those kinds of dealerships to potentially offer me a little bit more than CarMax. But Beck & Maston GMC dealership, as you saw with the cars that they did have, was pricing this car at $55,000. Now, why is that? They said that unfortunately with those mods, tuned, E85 intake and headers, even though it's very light, they're very minimal mods, dealerships will not sell it and would just send this car to auction. That's right, this car would apparently be just sent directly to auction. They wouldn't post it or try to sell it at their dealership because it has those modifications. One thing they did note was put all the factory stuff back on and we bring it back, we'll reappraise it, and we could give you more money with that. So should I do that, guys? Do we return this thing back to stock and see what they're gonna appraise this at? CarMax apparently didn't seem to have too much of an issue with this, although we did have the exhaust missing parts. Maybe with the exhaust back on, putting the stock exhaust system back on, we will actually get a better appraisal from CarMax as well. So might be interesting. Comment down below and let me know. Sorry for the wind here, but comment down below and let me know if we should return this thing back to stock and see what they will reappraise this at and find out what the difference is. But that is pretty interesting to see, guys. There you have it, what a 2019 with 8,000 miles and a couple mods is worth according to CarMax and a dealership. What do you guys think? Is that high, low? Should we go ahead and sell it? Like I said, for now the car is up for sale for 70K. So 70K is where we're at. If I'm not really looking to sell right away, I don't need to. And with the appraisal from CarMax showing almost $4,000 in tax savings as a trade-in, that might be something else we look at potentially when we get the C8 Z06, guys. We just trade this in, save get a little bit better offer with the tax deduction. But with that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, got to see what the appraisals were, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.